Good morning, students. Today we will prepare this comparative statement of profit and loss. See the problem. Three columns are given here. Particulars 31st March 2018 and 31st March 2017. A. Revenue from operations, sales 24 lakhs and 21 lakhs. B. Sales return. So 4 lakhs and 1 lakh. So in this problem, in comparative statement we have to take net revenue from operations, that is sales minus sales return. Cost of material consumed will be 50% of revenue for operations net, that is revenue from operations is 24 lakhs less sales returns 4 lakhs. So revenue from operations net will be 20 lakhs and 50% of 20 lakhs will be the cost of material consumed. Okay, that is 10 lakhs. Similar case on 31st March 2017, 21 lakhs minus 1 lakh sales return, the revenue from operations will be 20 lakhs. 60% of revenue from operations will be cost of material consumed. So 60% of 20 lakhs will be 12 lakhs. Okay, so cost of material consumed will be 10 lakhs and 12 lakhs. Understood? Now, other expenses 10% and 20% of net revenue from operations minus cost of material consumed. So, net revenue from operations 20 lakhs less cost of material consumed, then we will get 10 lakhs and 8 lakhs, and the percentage of other expenses is 10% and 20%. Then that we will calculate at the time of solving the problem. It's easy. And income tax rate is 40%. So now let's prepare comparative statement. So let's prepare comparative statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 17 and 31st March 18. Particulars 31st March 17 figures, 31st March 18 figures. ॲब्सोल्यूट चेंज दॅट इज इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज. मी इथे फॉर्म्युला लिहिला नाही आहे, एकदा समजल्यानंतर फॉर्म्युला लिहायला पाहिजे असं नाही. पर्सेंटेज चेंज दॅट इज पर्सेंटेज इन्क्रीज ऑर डिक्रीज, दॅट इज द कॉलम डी. ओके, नाव लेट स्टार्ट. द प्रॉब्लेम विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, दॅट इज रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. Revenue from operations, the amount of 2017 is 21 lakhs, and after deducting sales return it will be 20 lakhs. You can prepare separate notes to accounts for that, otherwise you can write here sales minus sales return. Revenue from operations 20 lakhs and 24 lakhs minus sales returns 4 lakhs, so again 20 lakhs. So change is nil, so percentage is also nil. Now other incomes are not there, so this is the final revenue. Add other income and then total revenue. हे आपण स्किप करून टाकलं तरी चालतं वेळ वाचण्यासाठी. सो डिरेक्टली लेस एक्सपेन्सेस, and the expenses are cost of material consumed and other expenses. So cost of material consumed and other expenses. Cost of material consumed 50% of revenue from operations, 50% of this is 10 lakhs and 50% of this is 10 lakhs. Okay, sorry, 60% is given. For 18 it is 50% and for 17 it is 60%. Okay, so for 18 it will be 10 lakhs as we have discussed earlier, and this is 12 lakhs, 60% of 20 lakhs. Okay, other expenses अदर एक्सपेन्सेसचं पर्सेंटेज दिलं आहे 10% आणि 20%, म्हणजे 17साठी 20% आणि याच्यासाठी 10%, म्हणजे 20% अँड 10% ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स लेस cost of material consumed. 20 lakhs less 12 lakhs, the amount is 8 lakhs. Okay, and 20% of 8 lakhs, so it will be 1,60,000. तुम्हाला कळतंय काय झालं ते? करून दाखवायला हवं आहे वर्किंग नोटमध्ये. मी इथे दाखवते तुम्हाला फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टँडिंग. वर्किंग नोट्स 2017 other expenses is equal to 2017 साठी 20% of net revenue minus cost of material consumed. Okay, so 20% into net revenue from operations is 20 lakhs minus cost of material consumed for 2017 is 12 lakhs. So 20% into 8 lakhs, these zeros will be cancelled, and 8,000 into 20, that is 1,60,000. Okay, now for 2018, net revenue minus cost of material consumed, 20 lakhs minus cost of material consumed is 10 lakhs. So 20% of 10 lakhs, sorry 10% of 10 lakhs, so 10 lakhs. हे परत सगळं करून दाखवत नाही आहे मी. 10%, so the amount is 1 lakh for 18, and for 17 it is 1,60,000. Okay, so here 1,60,000 and 1 lakh. Okay, now we have to calculate total expenses. Total expenses 12 lakhs plus 1,60,000, so it is 13,60,000. 10 lakhs plus 1 lakh, so it is 11 lakhs. Okay, here cost of material consumed, in cost of material consumed there is decrease of 2 lakhs. Here 1,60,000 and 1 lakh, so decrease of 60,000. And now 13,60,000 and 11 lakhs means decrease of 2,60,000. Obviously total of these two decreases. Okay, now third point will be profit before tax. Profit before tax will be first revenue, that is total revenue from operations, which is the final amount of total revenue 20 lakhs minus 13,60,000, so it will be 6,40,000. Then 20 lakhs minus 1,10,000, sorry minus 11 lakhs, so it is 9 lakhs. And so profit before tax has been increased by 2,60,000, which is positive amount as it is increased. Now fourth point is less tax, and tax rate is given 40%. 40% of 6,40,000. So it will be, let's see what will be the amount on calculator. I am calculating this amount on calculator, but you are not supposed to calculate it that way. Okay, so you have to calculate 2,56,000 it is. वर्किंग नोटच्या पेपरवर मी तुम्हाला दाखवते. आय विल शो हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट द पर्सेंटेज. टॅक्स रेट 40%. So for 2017, $6,40,000 into 40 upon 100. These zeros will be cancelled against these two zeros, and now 6,400 into 40. Okay, so 1 2 3 zeros. Now we can calculate 64 into 4. Okay, so I will multiply by 4 to 64. So it will be 2,56,000. In this way you have to calculate. Okay, $2,56,000, and now 40% of 9 lakhs, which is easy. It is 3,60,000, and there is increase in tax by rupees 1,04,000. Okay, now profit after tax. $6,40,000 minus 2,56,000, so it is 3,84,000. 9 lakhs minus 3,60,000, so it is 5,40,000. And so there is increase in profit by 1,56,000 rupees. So this is the profit after tax. Okay, and now the percentage. As we know, for calculating percentage, we have to take the column from C, amount from C column divided by amount from A column into 100. Okay, so here revenue from operation is nil. Here negative 2 lakhs divided by 12 lakhs into 100. Cost of material consumed divided by 12 lakhs into 100. These 5 zeros will be cancelled against these 5 zeros. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and now 100 divided by 6, so it is 16.67%. 16.67. Now other expenses. Minus 60,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100, so $100 into 3, negative 300 divided by 8, So the division is 37.50. Now total expenses. In this way, for calculating total expenses, remaining working notes you have to prepare and check. 2,60,000 divided by 13 lakhs, negative 2,60,000 divided by 13,60,000 into 100. So the percentage will be, these all percentage will be in bracket because they are negative percentage. So here in bracket 19.12. Okay. Then profit before tax 2,60,000 divided by 6,40,000 into 100. So it will be 40.63, which is positive because all the amounts are positive. 1,04,000 divided by 2,56,000 into 100. So it is again 40.63. And 1,56,000 divided by 3,84,000 into 100, again 40.63. Okay. In this way, prepare working note and make calculation of percentage and write it in the percentage column. In this way, we have to solve the comparative statement of profit or loss. Okay. So calculate it in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. That's all. Now see this problem. This second problem you have to solve on your own. Just I am discussing the problem. From the following information, prepare comparative statement of profit and loss of X Limited. Particulars: figures of 31st March 2016 and of 31st March 2015. Revenue from operations is given here, 25 lakhs and 20 lakhs. So in comparative statement you have to write 20 lakhs and 25 lakhs because two figures of 31st March 2015 will be written in first column and figures of 31st March 2016 will be in second column. So 20 lakhs and 25 lakhs. Now other incomes are not there, so directly we can write less expenses. Cost of material consumed amounts are given, 21 lakhs and 16 lakhs. So you have to write 16 lakhs and 21 lakhs. Then other expenses, they told us that other expenses are 25% of gross profit. So first we have to calculate, you have to calculate in your working note gross profit. And the formula of gross profit is equal to revenue from operations minus cost of material consumed. So for you have to calculate gross profit for the year 2015 as well as gross profit for the year 2016, and after calculating gross profit you can calculate the figures of other expenses, which are in 2016 25% of gross profit and in 2015 20% of gross profit. Okay. So calculate the gross profit first from deducting by deducting cost of material consumed from revenue from operations, and then calculate other expenses. So cost of material consumed and other expenses we have to write, and then we have to make the total, which are total expenses. Okay. Then after deducting total expenses from revenue from operations, you will get profit before tax. Then you have to deduct income tax at 50% rate from profit before tax. Then you will get profit after tax. After constructing the statement and writing the figures in first and second column, you can calculate increase or decrease, and after calculating increase and decrease, that is absolute change, you can calculate percentage change, that is percentage increase or decrease. And the formula is C divided by into 100, means amount from third column divided by amount from first column into 100. In this way you can calculate the percentage of change. Okay. So you have to solve this problem on your own, and if there is any doubt you can ask. That's all for today.